Hey, so I just installed Debian 13 for some testing purposes, and this is the error that I've got. Bobby is not in the sudoers file when I was simply trying to update my repository. So I do not have sudo privileges. So if you ever install Debian 13 or any Debian-based distro, and this is the error that you get, there is this way that you can resolve it. So I just thought that while I do it, I'll share it with you. All right. So first of all, you need to do something like this. All right, so enter the password. Now I'm using my terminal as a root user. All right, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open up this file /etc/sudoers. All right, and I'm going to scroll down. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to assign all privileges to the user. All right, so the username is Bobby. I say all equals all and then all. All right, if I just do that, essentially I would be giving all the privileges to the username Bobby. All right, so if I save it, let me exit from here. Let me just clear it. And now if I run sudo app update, it's going to ask me for the password, which I have already entered. So that's why it is updating successfully now. So if I just close the terminal and open it up again here. So let me just go ahead, write sudo apt update and ask me for the password. And you can see that now my sudo privileges are back. So if you face this error, this is how you fix it. Thank you.